Take a couple breaths. And I want you to imagine being in a safe space, whatever that feels like to you. Could be somewhere in your home, could be somewhere outside, could be someplace you've been before, or an imagined place. And I want you to feel that safety and that comfort and peace. That your body feels light and a very good sense of warmth. And you have this sense of just being held. And in this safe space, I want you to imagine that there's some white and gold light all around. And then before you, there comes an angel. The angel could have a form or not. And the angel unfurls its wings and gently gives you the biggest hug with those wings. And you feel the best you've ever felt with any other being in your life. And there's this warmth that comes from the angel's chest that moves right into your body, right into your heart, and it flows throughout the rest of your body. And you begin to feel joy and peace that cannot be explained. And now for the next few seconds, your angel is going to give you a personal message. Listen closely. If you need to ask a clarifying question of your angel, you may do so now. This angel wants you to know that anytime you do this practice, where you put yourself in a safe place, that angel will be there to meet with you. You can ask questions. You can get mad at that angel. That angel will still love on you, no matter what. Before you open your eyes, I want you to think about what is your one thing that you need to remember from your interaction with this angel.